Time for your real estate home review. We're in the Lakeland real estate market, which is just south and west of Orlando, east of Tampa. What I love about this home is that it's on a cul-de-sac, dead end, not a lot of through traffic. It's also block, and you're gonna love this. The price point's under $250,000. So if you're looking to park some cash, you're gonna bring in about $1,500 to $1,600 per month renting this out, generating income, or you can just hold on to it, visit it a couple times a year as you visit if you're from out of the area, and benefit from appreciation as there's not a lot in this price point, tax protection, and the potential to borrow from it, which you obviously can't do for rental and other assets. So this property doesn't really need much. You can see it's pretty clean. We can provide people that can do light cosmetic updates such as the kitchens and bathrooms without spending too much on renovations and without over improving your home. So let's take a look at this together. This is a recommended property, and let's take a look.